Intesis 700 series is the next generation of gateways for building automation for both our protocol translator and AC interfaces product lines. The main concept with this family is to enable system integrators to select via software the desired protocol combination they need for their project, running all of them on the same hardware.
The global semiconductor shortage affected many manufacturers, and we at HMS were no exception. We had big difficulties to be able to produce our Intesis V6 gateways product line, and in order to address this challenge, our very talented development team did a great job in a very short period of time, and we were able to launch our new product line, the 700 series. Despite the difficulties in the market to be able to get the right components, we managed to deliver this new product line with not only fixing all the issues we had with component shortage, but also adding new functionalities, new features, and be able to address better the customer needs.
Introducing our flagship product for this spring window launch, the new 700 series Air platform. It combines all the power of our well-known multi-inter-unit AC interface in a single product. The new 700 Air platform is split into 3 different hardware versions and enables the combination of selectable AC manufacturers with the desired BMS protocol, all made possible with our cool Intesis MAPS configuration tool. And that's not all. We are also including 3 binary inputs for energy metering purposes. This allows the final user to get a proportional energy consumption distribution per inter-unit by simply connecting an energy meter such as a Modbus meter or pulse meter to the other unit.
Let me share with you some of the key benefits of the 700 series, basically to understand why these gateways keep improving our product portfolio. First of all, these multi-protocol gateways have been designed with a new high-performance microchip to assure a long-term hardware to rely on and also a fully supply availability. In addition, we have significantly reduced the number of order codes to purchase our products, making it easier than ever to manage your inventory. This has been a key topic for our customers and distributors, from who we have received a very good feedback from launch at the end of 2022.
Along with the appearance of the new 700 series, MAPS has also evolved. We are still offering the same simple project selection, configuration, diagnostic, and troubleshooting tools. Moreover, thanks to our simplicity, you can use your previous projects and reuse them with the 700 series, so you can get the most of our new platform.
The whole Intesis team put their heart, mind, and soul into this project. Years of experience consolidated in a new solution, powerful and versatile, the new 700 series. We are confident that it will exceed your expectations and enhance your user experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you enjoy the 700 series as much as we enjoy creating it.